about to bloom now. This is actually a really big flower, like a really nice one. See, it's about to bloom now. It's so many bulbs for blooming. I can show you. See, it will soon be like full bloom. Look at that. But see up on here, but because of the storm, I think it got damaged. And see that it's like dying. It's from that storm. See, I already put support in here. See, it got washed off by the storm, and I really hope na it will keep blooming. Even so, I just really wanted to see the full bloom of this flower because it's really beautiful and it's so big. Let's see that, and it's gonna go soon. See, it's nearly there. Don't die yet. Look, it's so many. See, up until here, it's like taller than me. Actually, it's taller than me because it's in the plant box, but still. And this one, look how nicely bloom it is. This is coming back every spring, so it will die right around winter times, and it will go back on spring. The others of this are here. I will show you. It's in this side. I put it right here with the others because I don't have much space in there, and it's right here. They're bloom also, but that one there is much bigger. See that, and here, and then the rest of those are no, just one left because I didn't notice that I have one more. So this is the one. I'm gonna dig it up also and move it somewhere. Look at that rose that I have here just alone. And look, the succulent flower, and look at my roses. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Careful!
There's a rabbit!
Adam is the rabbit. There's a rabbit!
Oh! Good that we have the pad there.
Yeah.
Otherwise you will be... doesn't matter if it's hot, it's just it protects from that concrete, you know. It's really sharp.
There's a rabbit! There's a rabbit!
There's a rabbit!
Ah! Daddy! You push him!
No.
I'm the rabbit.
Hey.
I'm the rabbit, Daddy. Daddy,
Okay.
I'm the rabbit, Daddy. I said Adam is not the rabbit.
Adam, no running! Adam!
No, Adam is the rabbit. Adam's the rabbit.
Watch where you're going!
Adam is a rabbit.
I finished it. Look at the gooseberries we have. It's nearly these ones. We're gonna move it somewhere because look at our blackberry bush. I can't go here because it's so thorny, and we might need to do something with that because it's spreading so much. And this one, look at that. We need to do something with this one. Are you? Oh, this one is slime. Let me just taste it. Probably not really ready, but let's see. It's sweet. Honey. Sweet gooseberry. I'm so chocolate. They're pretending to go to school. They're so bored.
Adam, go to school. Wait, Adam, let's go to school. Adam, go to school. Go to school. Let's move there. Let's put the ball in the store. Look at Daddy. That's the ball in the store. Where's this one, Daddy? It's up in this room. This back down. I went shopping some things.
Who's that? Neighbor?
I got fruit. Daddy, look.
Did they fix it already?
I need to park. I need to park. Well, that's progress. No, that's the garbage bin. Stars, Daddy.
More star?
Mommy.
Uh,
Give me the star.
where is the star?
Mommy, am I parking correctly?
Yes.
Mommy, this is the next
Where's the star?
Mommy, look, it's the star.
It's a star flowers, you. Nice.
Mommy, look at that, Mommy. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, it's the star.
Yeah.
That looks like the one that I saw. Look,
Yeah.
look at that star, Mommy.
This is a star, too.
Mommy, look, that's the purple one.
The purple one.
Yeah, I saw something that looked like that one, but smaller. Daddy, look. The flowers.
Sunflower. It looks like sunflower, too.
I shop a Mommy, look, that's the bee, Mommy. Daddy, the bees.
That's the bee. Look at the bee.
The
Look at
play, the bee.
Wow. What's he doing?
Hi. Mommy, I bought a happy banana.
Ah, okay.
Daddy, I heard this is bee. Daddy, that bee ran away.
Yeah, it's right there. Go look for it. It's looking for the bee. It's gone.
Mommy, look, a bee.
They will come back.
And I even bought some sticks.
For Adam. You. Do you say thank you, Zoe?
I only bought two.
Nothing.
I only bought two.
Bro, look at the grasshopper. Let's see if it will go to your mouth.
No.
I think maybe it will go into his mouth then to be
Where is it?
It's there. It's like a spider. It's like a spider. It's staying on the side. Mommy! Oh, look. It's a spider again. Mommy? It's like a spider, but it's a grasshopper. A spider hopper. A spider hopper. No, spider. Daddy, run away. Daddy. Why does it have red eyes? Why does it have red eyes? No, Anna. No.
Update on our cucumber. Look at that. We have here. Oh, let me just look. And there are those two over here, but we also have here.
Can I, Mommy?
There.
I want to see.
Here,
I want to
here.
see.
And also right
Whoa!
there. And over here. Back. My accent. Over here.
Whoa! That's
So many.
I like that cucumber. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Be careful there, you might hit.
I like these swirly things. Like these swirly things.
I'm not sure if we have here, but maybe. There are flowers. There are but small ones. Still small.